Alright, this is I know newest edition Cuzzo, Timmy, aka Ant-Man. King is on his way on his motorcycle at 2:03 a.m. aka Josh. This nigga is crazy. Get ready to fucking see a huge ass beam of light. Kawasaki Ninja, this nigga can ride. Hear that shit?
I hear that.
Look at that light. One special light. Damn, this nigga G. Damn, you hear that shit? Here he comes. You can barely see him, but it's good, it's good, it's good. Look at that.
Bike, dog.
Look at the bike. Look at this shit. He's fucking insane. Look at him.